My mama told me that I need to get up and I need to get my ass out the couch. She said if you ain't gon' get to this money, then you need to get your ass out the house. She said don't you come up in here without a plan, boy, without a check in your hand. I got the message, she was spread thin, so a nigga had to expand. I am the monster that lives in the lot. I sent some children to shoot up your shop. I gave your lady a part in my movie. She sick of you treating her like she a prop. Scared to die, you get sacrificed. Spit the rhymes on the track one time. I'm like Ye and Jay-Z combined. Nigga slap me 5 on the black hand side of the seat.